Hey folks! Today, I'm sharing a simple and reliable way to turn your videos into crisp 4K right inside DaVinci Resolve. This beginner-friendly method is quick and effective for all skill levels. Start by opening up DaVinci Resolve and heading over to the Media pool. Once you're there, right-click your timeline. Hover over Timelines and choose Timeline Settings. Next, uncheck Use Project Settings so you can manually adjust everything. Open the Resolution dropdown and pick the correct 4K option. This step is what makes sure your upscale actually looks crisp and not stretched. Select 3840 Ultra HD, hit OK, and your timeline is officially set for 4K. Now it's time to upgrade your clip. Right-click the video you want to enhance and select Clip Attributes. Scroll to the Superscale section, open the dropdown, and choose 4X. This gives you the highest quality upscale and adds a ton of detail to your footage. And that's it! Your video is now upgraded to a beautiful 4K finish. Feel free to experiment with different superscale values depending on your project and source footage to get the best results. If this walkthrough helped you out, tap that like button and stick around for more quick editing guides.